Hello students, in my last class I have given you the match the column that is from A and give reasons from B. Now today I will give you number C and D. So number C, fill in the blanks, and here number 1, warm currents from tropical region flow towards in the gap you write polar. You can write polar, oblique, subpolar. Polar, then oblique, subpolar regions. Then number 2, tsunami does not resemble normal undersea current. Undersea. Then number 3, the rise of water, RISC, rise. The rise of water level in the sea indicates high tide. High tide. Then number 4, variation in the ocean circulation can lead to variation in weather pattern. Weather, WEATHER, weather pattern. And number 5, the planet's fresh water is very unevenly, EVENLY, evenly distributed. Then comes number D, answer in brief. And here number 1, mention one lake of hospitable region and one from the inhospitable region. So first is from the hospitable. That you will get in page number 150. The first third line you will get. So you will write your heading, you write hospitable region, then put a small dash, and then you write the Great Lakes Basin. And then next you write inhospitable region. Heading inhospitable region, put a small dash, and from page number 149 you write the glacial lakes of Canada. Last paragraph of page number 149 you will get the glacial lakes of Canada. That you will write, but here the heading will be inhospitable region. Then answer number 2, what condition arises due to variation in ocean circulation? That you will get in page number 150. Just above sea waves, the heading sea wave, above that paragraph you will see. Variation in the ocean circulation can lead to variation in heat transport and to variation in weather pattern. One important variation in the circulation is the change in the equatorial circulation known as El Nino, which occurs with the irregular period of 2 to 5 years. If it comes for 3 to 4 marks, then you will write the whole paragraph. If it comes, suppose for 2 marks, then you will write variation in the ocean circulation can lead to variation in the heat transport and to variation in weather pattern. For 2 marks up to pattern you will write. If it is more than 2, then the whole paragraph you will write. Alright? Then comes number 3. Briefly explain the concept of tides. That you will get in page number 150. From the beginning you will write, tides are the rise and fall of sea levels caused by the combined effects of the gravitational forces exerted by the moon and the sun and the rotation of earth. The rise of weather level in the sea indicated high tides and the lower water level indicates low tide. The types of tides are spring tide and neap tides. Whole thing more or less you will write for more marks. Okay. If it is only for 2 marks, then sun and the rotation of earth, only earth you can write for 2 marks. More than 2 marks, the whole paragraph you will write till the nip tide. Then come, what are the warm and cold currents? Number 4. That you will get in page number 151. Last paragraph of ocean tides. Warm currents are currents that come from tropical or subtropical regions and flow towards the polar or subpolar regions. And cold currents are the currents, instead of similarly you will write N. And cold currents are the currents that flow in from the polar or subpolar towards the tropical or subtropical regions. This is number 4. And then number 5, what generates tsunami? Why is it dangerous? So, a tsunami, that is also in page number 151. Here you can write, tsunami is caused, you have to write the main cause of tsunami. So you will write this way, tsunami is caused due to big earthquakes. Tsunami occurs due to big earthquake that occur in the ocean floor. That occur in the ocean floor. And produce a special type of waves in the ocean. Full stop. After that you can write, undersea earthquake caused displacement of large volume of water. In the ocean. So this is the first part. Then the second part, why is it dangerous? Okay, next paragraph you'll write, tsunami is dangerous. Tsunami is dangerous because the devastating waves, the devastating, DEVASTATING, devastating waves caused by tsunami attain great height and strength at the coastal areas, at the coastal areas, and cause extensive damage, extensive, EXTEN SIVE, extensive damage to the coast, full stop. It destroys life of human being and animals, and also the properties, that is why, after full stop, that is why tsunami is dangerous. That is why tsunami is dangerous. Okay, that's all. Okay, now we have come to the end of this lesson and we have completed the half yearly portion. Now you have to complete your notes and even you have to study also. Complete all the notes, and if the short questions like filling the blanks, match the following, directly in the your textbook you can do. That no need to bring, because it is not that you have done, it is I only told, so that is correct. And what you have written in your, because last time many of you have brought your textbook also, because you have written the fill in the blanks, match the following in the text. So many of you have brought your text, but no need. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can send me the message in the WhatsApp. If you have any doubt regarding any short questions, means match the following or fill in the blanks, one word answers, and those who have written in the textbook, leave it. Let it be there only. No need to bring for correction. Okay. You bring your notebook only, that answers, long answers. Okay, we'll stop for today.